Hello and welcome to our channel, AI Tools for Daily Use. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to create a brand new avatar using studio.d-id.com. If you haven't already, be sure to check out our previous video in the description below that shows you how to create an avatar for free using Midjourney. Assuming you already have an avatar, let's get started with studio.d-id.com. First, head over to the studio.d-id.com website and click on Create a Video. This will redirect you to the account setup page. If you haven't created an account yet, go ahead and sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll see a page where you can upload your avatar or a high-quality picture of your favorite one. You'll also see options to type in your prompt or upload your audio file that you want your avatar to speak. You can choose your language, voices, and accent styles as well. After you've entered all of your information, click on Generate Video, and studio.d-id.com will sync your avatar's movements with your audio file to create a talking head video. And that's it. You've successfully created a new avatar using studio.d-id.com. Hello and welcome to our channel, AI Tools for Daily Use. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to create a brand new avatar using Studio. Share this video with your friends and family so they too can create their own avatars. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools for daily use.